This video sponsored by Eduquest. Eduquest offers skill-based courses in digital marketing, stock market, coding and more. Find the link in the description below.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to Eduquest, where learning is made just for you. At Eduquest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with Eduquest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to make an Excel sheet very hidden using VBA. First, I open a sample worksheet which contains tables and pivot table. Now, I want to hide this pivot table. For this, I right click this and click on hide. Now, you don't see any pivot table. To enable this again, I click on the tables and unhide. I click on the pivot table option and click on OK. Now you can see the pivot table is visible again. To make this very hidden, you need to enable the developer option. I go to the top of the page and in the tabs there is no developer option. To enable this, I right click on any tab and customize the ribbon. Here I select the developer option and I click on OK. Now I click on the developer option and Visual Basic from the left. Now on View I click on Project Explorer and View Properties window. Now I click on the pivot table and at the bottom I change the visible status to very hidden. Now I click on the save and close the window. Now you can see there is no pivot table. When I right click on tables, you don't see any unhide options. So it is permanently hidden. To make this pivot table visible again, I need to go to the developer options and I click on Visual Basic. I click on the pivot table and I scroll down. Here I change the visible status to OK. Now I save and I close the window. Now you can see there is a pivot table. So using this, you can hide any confidential sheet in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.